What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and when you first hear of Panasonic, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Home appliances perhaps? Recently, the company created a product that promises to give us a superb noise-cancelling performance. This RZ-S500W. So without further ado, let's check it out! Okay, so out of the box, the first thing you will see is the Panasonic RZ-S500W and a plastic case with a matte finish. It also comes with 5 ear tip sizes to make sure you get the best fit so the earbuds don't fall off easily from your ears and helps you get the best sound quality. Other things you'll find are the manuals and a USB Type-C cable. On closer look, its case has an LED indicator on the front and a USB-C charging port at the back. The RZ-S500W earbuds feature a metallic finish running along the edges. The holes on this metal strip houses the LED indicators and microphones needed for noise cancellation. The RZ-S500W is an in-ear type and has a chunky design in a matte black color. It is made up of plastic and it's quite thick but feels pretty lightweight. It's also IP4X rated to survive the occasional splash or sweating when working out or jogging around. To pair the RZ-S500W to your mobile device, you have to download the Panasonic Audio Connect first, which is available on Android and iOS. Next is to turn on your location and your Bluetooth and find it in your phone's Bluetooth settings and you're done. The accompanying Panasonic Audio Connect app lets you customize the buds' sound profile to suit your needs. You can select through the presets to enhance the bass or the voice quality, or you can choose to create your own sound profile using the 5-band equalizer. As long as you get a proper fit with the ear tips, the sound profile at the default settings lets you hear a good amount of bass and the rest of the frequencies come out nicely. Its noise cancellation is a nice-to-have feature and it works as expected. This feature is still rare for most wireless earbuds and even at headsets in general, so it's nice to see this particular feature implemented in this form factor. I would say that the ear tips do much of the work in blocking out most of the background noise, and you can observe this feature at work as it also removes that feeling of being underwater when the buds are snugly fit in your ears. And if you're wondering, there's also an option to let in the background noise around you, which is very useful when you're outside traveling, jogging, or just going through the grocery runs. Both of these options can be controlled using the Audio Connect app, which gives you control over how much noise you want to let in or block out. As for audio quality, the sound coming out of this device is amazing. It's honestly comparable to some large headphones in the market today. The output is very clear and balanced between the bass, mids, and high frequencies. And the available sound customization options ensures you get the best sound you prefer out of your music. Turning on noise cancellation makes sure that you are focused on hearing the minute details of the content you're listening to. Whether that's trying to relax to the tune of a soothing playlist, carefully digesting the details of a podcast or a lecture you're listening to, or making sure all action items in an online meeting is carefully captured and documented. Speaking of meetings, voice calls also come through clearly, which is useful for those who work from home. Like most other competing true wireless earbuds, the RZ-S500W is controlled via touch. That's tap once on either earbud to play or pause a track. A double tap on the right earbud skips the track forward, while the triple tap skips the track backwards. You can double or triple tap on the left earbud to lower or increase the volume, and press and hold the right earbud to cycle through ANC on-off. You can also do the same with the left earbud to activate your smartphone's voice assistant. When it comes to battery life, the RZ-S500W can last up to 6.5 hours of playback on a single charge, and 19.5 hours total with the support of the charging case. Overall, for the price of 13,799 pesos, the RZ-S500W is a solid true wireless earbuds with exceptional sound quality, better active noise cancellation, decent battery life, and decent connectivity as well. It's definitely a good investment if you're looking for earbuds. So that's it for this video guys. What do you think of this Panasonic RZ-S500W? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.